Here's a regular unfinished shelf that I made about 2 years ago. I took a board, cut it to the right size, attached it to the wall, and this is how it's been. I really like the wood finish, but I feel like doing something creative. Arts and crafts, let's go. Step 1, remove all the screws on both sides of each bracket. Next, light a match and fire up the torch. Make sure to do this in a safe area with a lot of ventilation. Next, run your torch along the grain pattern of the wood to highlight the accents. Keep the flame moving, otherwise you'll end up with gross-looking burn spots. Next, spray epoxy over the board to seal in the ash. Once the ash is sealed in, spray additional coats to make it as glossy as you'd like. Burned wood is extremely absorbent, so you'll probably need to apply at least 2 or 3 coats. Next, reattach the screws and make sure that the shelf is once again secure. And there you have it, a brand new wood burn shelf.